In this video, we're going to be looking at Google Scripts to automate Google Drive folder creation and uploading template files to those folders and files. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Brett Wallace. I started my company Agents Discovery about 6 months ago now, and Agents Discovery is on a journey of learning all these different AI-powered automations, or just automations that don't need AI. That could be anything from a conversational phone call with AI, or maybe emails or chat bots, or how to use them in your existing processes or websites. There's a million different things that we can put automations and AI in. And so today we're going to be doing the scripts.google.com. So we're going to automate the creation of some Google Drive folders, which I've already done today. So we'll go to my projects list, go to the correct count, went to my personal account there. And so I already have a few projects in here. So ChatGPT can give you all the steps for this. I didn't even know this existed until today, so I started using it, and I'm going to use it for a outbound campaign for getting more clients. So I've already created created the Google Drives, the folders, and I've already put some templates in those folders that we created earlier, but we're going to create some new templates, some more templates to put in the folders that this, let me zoom in a little bit, that this project right here did for me. And that project simply created, let me go to my drive, it created this entire folder structure. So right here, clients or agents discovery, client acquisition sprint, and then as you can see, in the same minute, all these folders are created. We're going to add some templates to these, but you get the idea. I mean, you can see the time saving that we created from this. And this structure, naming all of this, was recommended by ChatGPT, and it can help you keep organized in whatever project or work you're doing. And then earlier I added some email templates, and we're going to add some pitch decks, customer-facing type of templates. They're not going to be comprehensive or deep, but this is just showing that this kind of folder creation and template uploading, document adding, this can really get you going quickly. So we're going to start a project. We're going to call it, I'm going to do customer facing, what do we call it? Let's call it customer facing templates. If I can spell templates right. Hold, please. Okay. It's really this simple. And then it writes the script for you. You copy it, paste it, and these are your app scripts. Now, app scripts, again, are to interact with your Google Workspace. That's what is hosting my domain for my website and all my emails and things like that. If you don't have Google Workspace, I don't know if this will work for just a regular Gmail account. Okay, so then what we do is we deploy it. We do a new deploy, and we tell it web app. I'm the owner. We'll do customer templates. I can't spell that word. I really can't spell that. We'll do a couple of templates. And again, in the Google Workspace, I have kind of roles and permissions assigned. So I'm going to give everybody, there's 3 of us, but really 2, access to this deployment. Again, you have to create the script, deploy it, and then run it. Those are the steps. So we're going to deploy that now. And then you have to, click follow along, authorize. All this OAuth stuff, it's pretty, just left click all the way through. Okay, now we hit done. So what this is going to do is I gave access to this Google script, scripts.google.com, access to my drive to perform these actions, and that's creating folders and adding documents. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the before and after. So we're going to make sure this is working. Let's see where it's attempting to add scripts. So templates I will insert. So we're looking these folders, AI receptionist value proposition. Let's go to that folder now. I gotta find it. Hold on. AI receptionist proposition value assets. So I'm looking for that folder. Here we go. Client acquisition sprint assets. Is that the right folder? AI receptionist value assets client. All right, let's just run this. I think it's actually creating these folders too. We're gonna hit run. That was pretty quick. I'm on Eastern time, so it all ran in about 10 seconds, 3:45. Oh yeah, look, there it is. AI receptionist value, 3:45. So again, we created probably 3 more things. We'll go look at what it made here. And we can open this, and as you can see, it's a simple template. Like I said, the content wouldn't be extensive, but you can begin to add your own content or ideas to these scripts to fill out these sheets and systematize and standardize these approaches to creating folders and files, and start really getting into plugging in, AI into the actual creation of these documents too. Let's go and see if we can find client onboarding checklist in week 1. Week 1. Yeah, there's client onboarding checklist. There we go. Again, this is a quick way to automate and create folders and files and start populating those folders and files with content. Again, thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out to me or call one of my agents. Her name is Jessica. She handles my calendar, or look me up on LinkedIn. All of it will be in the video description.